Today on TechSceneZA, we're going to be taking a regular USB flash drive and turning it into an access control device for your PC. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Krishan and welcome to TechSceneZA. If this is your first time here and you're interested in consumer tech, creative builds, product reviews, as well as home networking guides, you can start by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to get notified every time we post new content. What is an access control device? An access control device allows you access or use of your PC. And if your access control device is removed, it restricts the use of your PC as well as locks it. This is a very simple build, and all we're going to be needing is our PC, of course, a USB key, as well as a piece of software. So let's get started. For our piece of software, we're going to hop over to our browser and we're going to type in predator-usb.com. And if you have trouble finding that link, the link is going to be provided down in the description below, right? So let's open up that website. Okay, so Predator locks and unlocks your PC with a USB flash drive. Predator locks even when you're away. Even if your Windows session is still active, it takes a regular USB flash drive as an access control device. And it works as follows. You insert the USB drive, you run Predator, you do your work, and when you're away from your PC, you simply remove your USB drive. Once it is removed, the keyboard and the mouse are disabled and the screen darkens. When you return back to your PC, you put the flash drive in place and the keyboard and mouse immediately release and the display is restored. Predator also helps limit the time your kids spend on the computers. So there's a whole list here how you can limit the times of day the user may use the PC with a built-in scheduler, specific rules, out of authorized periods, whether you lock the PC, log the user out or shut down the PC. And here are some of the advanced security features of Predator. You can protect several PCs with the same USB. You can protect several user accounts on a PC, weekly schedules, alert mail, messages. It can take pictures of the person trying to unlock your PC and even email them to you. So how Predator works, it's mostly used in industry-wise, like in home affairs and stuff, where you wouldn't want other people accessing the computer. So what happens in home affairs, most of the time you see they have like a key card that they insert, and this is how Predator is also going to work. You insert your USB, which is acting like your key card. You can use the PC, and when you remove it, it's going to lock the PC, right? So that's enough about talking. So here's some on the side here. Protects your office PC, protects point of sales computers, protects your kids, protects several computers with a single flash drive, protects several accounts with their own flash drives, limit computer access to specific times in a day. So those are some of the features, and even protect your office computers. So we're going to hit download Predator, and let's wait for that to download. Okay, we are downloading Predator Home Edition, and we are downloading the 64-bit because this is a 64-bit machine, right? So let's download that. We're going to save this to our desktop, and let's wait for that to complete downloading. Predator has completed downloading, so let's go ahead and run that setup. So if you are looking at my network locations and are wondering, what's this Plex media server? Plex is like your own private Netflix. And if you missed my video on Plex where I set up my own private Netflix. That video is going to be linked up there in the YouTube cards. Go ahead, check that out. If you are interested in things like that, or even interested in creating your own media server, I suggest you check that video out. So as I said, Predator is saved on our desktop. Let's open this compressed file up and run install predator.exe. Right, let's minimize that. Next, make sure you read your end user license agreement. Alright, I agree. Hit next, next here, and then the Predator installation has been completed. Now the next thing to do is insert our USB key. So if you're wondering what happened to the other USB key I had, I tried that out the first time and it wasn't working, so I had to change this USB key. Alright, so let's insert our USB key, and what we're going to do is hopefully Predator is running. Okay, so as you can see, my USB drive is selected here and it asks you for a password. So what happens is you are allowed, there is a way to unlock your PC without the USB stick, and it's that password. Right. I'm not sure if my screen recorder is going to record this, but let's give it a try, right? So as you can see, it's picked up my USB and let's try. Right, disconnect. It's warning me that the Predator access control system is in place and it's asking me to input my password. So I'm going, okay, so now it is counting down from 10 and it's going to lock. And before that does, I'm going to insert my USB back and it's unlocked my PC. So let's look at the screen recorder if it recorded that, and if not, I'm going to bring the camera around and you're going to see it in action, right? Okay, so now I'm going to be removing my USB. And it's locked the PC and it's given you 30 seconds to react and find out, input the password or it's going to lock. Right, so at 10 seconds, the counter starts beeping. So it is kind of over dramatic, but it is actually quite nice. Right, so now if I insert my USB back into the PC, and that brings this video to an end. So if you enjoyed this video, may I suggest you check out our other USB related video where we created an evil USB. Basically what we did, we created a batch file which pranked the user basically that their PC was shutting down, and it actually did shut down. So if you'd like to find out how to do that, that video is going to be linked up there in the YouTube cards. Go ahead, check it out. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. And getting subscribed if you aren't subscribed already, turning on post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Guys, once again, thanks for watching. And my name is Prashant, and I'll see you same time, same place, next week.